Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Bravo-04 error on XDEFIANT. So this error related to network and connection issues, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open a browser and then you need to just look for Google XDEFIANT server status. And then on Ubisoft, you can see that on PC, PS4, Xbox, there is no issues. If there is an issue here on your platform, you just need to wait because you can't change anything here, right? And if it's not the case, if there is no issues, then first what I suggest you to do here is to test your internet speed. Just go to fast.com or something similar or some similar website and then test your internet speed. If you have good internet speed, you're good to go. But if you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router, right? And if it's not the case, then another thing that I suggest you to do here is to open up Ubisoft Connect and then restart your game and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, go to library, go to XDEFIANT, press on the three dots, and then verify game files. Maybe your files is corrupted and need to be fixed. If it's not working, then if you are on PC, what you need to do here, you need to open up CMD or command prompt, then right click on it, run as admin. And then here you need to write ipconfig/flush DNS, and another command is nesh winsock reset, right? After that, restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then open up settings, then go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and reset your network here. If you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. But if you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. So keep in mind that. Right, so go back on, if it's not working, go back on network and internet, go to advanced network settings, find your network here, expand it, more adapter options, then internet protocol version 4, select this and change your preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Also, if you play on console, Xbox, PS4, PS5, I believe you can change your DNS server as well. And after that, you just need to look if the problem persists or not, but it should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.